stop and get something to eat. But my only thing is, now that I'm vegan, like, what does that look like? You feel me? Hey guys, I'm gonna start trying to do a weekly vlog, so this is like that, right? If you're new here, hi, how the heck are you? My name is Tandy. I filmed this get ready with me with this look that you guys see right here, but I'm still trying to decide if I want to upload it or not. If I do, you'll see it. If not, here's the look. I just got back from the supermarket and I got inspired while I was at the supermarket because I was like, oh my gosh, I should so totally be vlogging about this because I haven't even told you guys that I recently went vegan. I watched Seaspiracy and y'all, it like changed the game for me. I already wasn't like a pork or beef eater, but I still ate like chicken and fish, definitely fish, seafood, stuff like that. Since watching that movie, oh my gosh, even the fish in the ocean are eating plastic. Basically, we're eating plastic. So I've been trying to do better. Needless to say, I just got back from Whole Foods and I got a lot of good stuff, like a lot of good vegan stuff. Well, potentially good stuff because I'm not really sure if this stuff is gonna be good. I thought that this would be kind of interesting to show you guys my vegan journey, you know, my journey of veganism, so to speak. So let me turn the camera around so that you guys can see what I got, because I think some of this stuff looks actually pretty, like, you know, potentially delicious. So let me show you that. Okay, so this is, for the most part, everything that I got. My cousin told me about these field roast smoked apple and sage plant-based sausages. I think these will be really nice for maybe like pastas and also for like in the mornings. Also got some plant-based chicken substitute. I think this would be really good for some veggies. I got a ton of different quinoa blends. Actually, I think I got these from Publix, because I did get some stuff from Publix as well. I got some cauliflower, of course. My plan for this is to make buffalo cauliflower bites, so stay tuned for that, because I'll probably do like a yellow plate situation or whatever. I got, of course, some more veggies, tons of veggies, guacamole, you already know, and my pico. I got some hummus. I am not a hummus fan, but I said I'm going to try the hummus wave. I got some cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe. Rice cakes. These are the brown rice salt-free ones. I got some vegan cornbread. I'm very interested to try these tonight with my dinner. Some plant-based mozzarella. I needed some shredded cheese. Originally went to Publix thinking that they was gonna have my milk that I like, but they didn't. But here lately, I've actually been liking to eat my cereal and stuff with this Almond Breeze banana milk. It's pretty good. Kind of sweet, but it definitely gives it a nice extra flavor, because I like to eat like brand cereal and it gives it like a little bit of an extra flavor without having to put like honey or anything in it. So I do like that. They actually had a sale at Publix. You can get 2 of these for $6, which wasn't bad. I got the Almond Breeze creamer because I do need more creamer for my chai lattes in the morning. This is like some, and I'm not even a steak eater, so I don't know why I got this, but this is like a peppered steak tempeh. Is that how you say that? I don't know. But yeah, I'm interested to see how that tastes. I think over some quinoa or something, it'll be like pretty good. I also got some cheese slices, vegan cheese slices, some vegan ranch. I don't even like ranch. However, I love raw carrots and I love to dip them in ranch. That's the only time I eat ranch. So I got some vegan ranch. Hopefully that's good. I love eggs. So when I saw that Whole Foods had made from plants egg scramble mix, I was like, okay, this is interesting. I'm very curious to see how this tastes. I also got like a lot of probiotic stuff because I'm really trying to, you know, clear out my gut. This is some apple cider vinegar prebiotic. So this is something that you take like at the beginning of your day. And then I also got some probiotics. I also have some what do you call it, kombucha and stuff like that in the refrigerator as well already. And I got some green tea, unsweetened. I'm really trying to cut back my sugar intake because I know that is like my one thing that is, I just love the sugars, honey, okay? The sweets, period. I need that. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. Oh, I also got 2 mangoes because I love eating raw mangoes. Yeah, that is it. I'm going to make myself some dinner and watch Lovely Teas live because there's some shit going down out in freaking Minnesota. I don't know if you guys heard, but today's Monday. And last night, Minnesota just went fucking ape shit. A young black man, he lost his life to the shot of a police officer, I should say. So it's freaking crazy over there right now. I'm gonna make myself some dinner and then watch Lovely Teas live. Already playing. I just got it on mute so it doesn't interrupt my video. But I will check in with you guys later. Checking back in. No nails because I need to do them tonight. Y'all know I like press-ons. But I'm gonna go ahead and watch Snowfall because I recently got into Snowfall. I know I'm like late to the freaking party. I know. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of slow to get into. Like there's too many things going on. But yeah, I'm into it. I'm seeing all of these memes and GIFs and videos of fans, you know, recreating like scenes or parodies about the show, and I feel left out. So I have to catch up. There's 4 seasons, I believe, and I am on season 2 finally as of last night. Here's my thing though. Whenever I watch new stuff, I binge it. This is gonna be really, really bad because I've been missing out on sleep because I'm binging this show. Like you can't like not focus on it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna eat my dinner, watch Snowfall. Got my dinner here. I have some, let me show you. I have leftover peppers and onions and vegan chorizo with some rice cakes. So that is my dinner. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat and I will check back in with you guys later. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and I just left work going to pick up my nephew from school. I am starving right now. I mean, I did eat breakfast this morning. I had some, what did I have? Well, I had some cereal. I had some bran flakes with, I think that was it. Yeah, I just had some bran flake cereal with my almond banana milk that I showed you guys last night. I mean, it was good, but here it is 6 hours later and your girl is hungry. Ooh, you're pulling somebody over. I kind of want to stop and get something to eat, but my only thing is now that I'm vegan, like, what does that look like? You feel me? What do you get? You get french fries, and I don't really want to get french fries because that's fattening. Oh my gosh, let me close this because now that I'm on the highway, you guys probably won't be able to hear me. What was I saying? But yeah, I don't know what to get at the whatever fast food restaurant I choose to stop at and get him a little snack. I've been snacking on these since I left work. These are seaweed chips. These are my new obsession, okay? Seaweed chips are, I mean, they taste a little fishy. I'm not gonna fry, like, no cap, but I like them. Like, I think they taste pretty good. And these that I have right here are teriyaki flavored. And, I mean, they honestly taste the same as the sea salt flavor, to be honest, but I think they just have, like, a little bit of that tangy taste to it. I don't want to say sweet, but it's more like tangy, if you understand what teriyaki is. You get what I'm saying. But yeah, I've been eating these seaweed chips. I kind of want to save one just to see if my nephew would like them. seafood? Auntie of the year over here. I don't know, but we're gonna see if he likes the seaweed chips. I do like seaweed salad, so I knew I would like seaweed chips. They're really light and airy, but they have like that crisp. Oh gosh, what is going on over here? See, this is why I left work early, because I already knew there was gonna be some bull on this mother freaking highway. Yeah, I'm just gonna vibe out to some music, and y'all already know how YouTube is with the music, so I'm gonna check back in with you guys a little bit later. I want you to try one of my seaweed chips. Not bad? I like them. It's teriyaki flavor. Jeez, I guess you did like it. I didn't think you would like it. That's why I only saved you one. Well, I'll remember to grab those as a snack for whenever you come over. Yeah, whenever you come over. I'm glad you like it. It's healthy. You know, we like to be healthy, right?